What we are going to study now? Significance. Significance of the symbol of an element. One example also we'll study. Symbol of element. So why we should know the symbol? What is the significance? What is the importance of that symbol? So what is the first important means? What is the first important, Ra? Please respond me. By using symbols, what is the use? Symbol represents
shortcuts to represent the element.
I can write E, Prados P, Monish M, Laksha L. Like that I can write short form. So that the symbol represents what? The symbol represents the name of
Short form of the element.
Symbol represents the name of the element. That is the first significance of an element. Symbol represents name of the element. Please write. Symbol represents name of the element. Okay, Monish, not speaking, I will kick you on the mouth only. Next, remember, everybody involved. That is, Samanya and Samaya understand? That is the first point. What is the second point? Symbol represents what? Atom of an element. What is representing? Suppose I am writing hydrogen H.
Atom of the element.
Carbon, oxygen O. It is representing what? One atom of an element. Yes or no?
One atom of
Yes, sir.
Always how many atoms, Ramonish? Maitreya?
one atom, sir.
One atom
One
of the
atom.
element. Right. It symbol represents one atom of the element. Symbol represents one atom. One atom of the element. Different elements are the same element. One atom, same element. That is, remember. Next,
Same elements.
symbol also represents understanding. So as well as this concepts I should not teach you now because you people don't know what is mole concept. So that mole concept you people will study later. That by the time we'll study. Next, symbol represents a definite mass of the element. What is that? A symbol represents definite mass.
Definite mass of the element.
So till now, these three only learn that mole concept after studying will study. Symbol represents definite mass of the element. Mass of the element. That's all. So now, let us see with the example. We'll go with the example. So all of you take the example, the significance of symbol of C. So now, example, I'm taking a carbon. So what is the first point? Symbol of carbon. What is the symbol of carbon? C.
Sir.
Is the symbol of carbon. So C indicates what? Ra? C represents what? Carbon element. Understand?
Element.
Carbon element. Next.
Element.
Represents what? How many atoms of carbon? C represents what?
One atom of
One
carbon.
One, sir. One atom,
One,
sir.
What is that?
One atom.
of
One atom of carbon element.
One
Carbon
atom.
element.
One atom of carbon element. Do you understanding, Alana, Manya and Samaya, everybody Darun? That is next.
Sir.
What is C represents? C represents what? 6 protons plus 6 neutrons, which is equals to what? Ra? 12. Yes or no?
12.
6 protons plus 6 neutrons. So one symbol of C represents 12 grams of carbon, which is equals to the atomic mass of carbon expressed in grams. Atomic mass of carbon in expressed in what? In grams. Understand, guys? AU.
Yes,
1
sir.
U equals to 1 gram I am taking. So it is representing equals to what? 12 grams. Understanding, Ra? So 12 U is equals to what? 12 grams. Understand, Ra?
12 grams.
This is equals to atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit. I am saying 12 grams means in the sense of what? Atomic mass unit is represented in what? Is represented in what? Represented in grams. In what? In grams.
Grams.
So if I say suppose hydrogen 1 means in the sense of what? 1 gram. Understanding? Clear, Ra? Please respond me.
Yes, yes, sir.
While you are solving the numericals in mole concept, that is next halfly after we will study that. Suppose I will say oxygen 16U means in the sense of what? In grams. 16 grams. Understanding? Nitrogen 14.
sir.
14 means 14 grams. Means
14 grams.
atomic mass unit is represented in what? In the form of grams it is indicating.
Grams.
So why, sir, you are representing in the grams? While you are studying the mole concept, I will teach you that. What is the importance of that? Understand, Tamil Selvan, everybody? So what is the importance of
Yes,
taking
sir.
atomic mass unit in the grams, I will teach you while you are studying in the which concept, Ra? Mole concept. Okay, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is mole concept? That is all we'll study. Now it is not there for half early. We'll study after later. So this is all about what is the significance of symbol of an element. So symbol represents the name of the element. Symbol represents the one atom of the
Atom
and as well as
element.
symbol represents
Symbol
the
represents the defined mass of element.
that is you should remember. Now this is all about it. Now the next concept which we are going to study. Jayvarsini, do you understand? Yelmokil?
Yes,
Sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
the next concept we are going to study is how these atoms exist. That is what we are going to study. So atoms are exist in like understand free state or combined state. That is what you have to understand now. So please all of you keep heading. How do atoms exist? How do atoms exist? So now try to listen first. Don't try to write. Try to listen. Understand everybody carefully. Tamil Selvan, Samayan, Manya, Laksha also. Everybody. Darun is only absent, I think. Darun and one more fellow is there. Okay. So please inform them. So how do atoms this exist means try to understand very carefully. So if you take very few atoms in the periodic table. Actually, how many elements we have presently? As I said, how many elements we have?
Sir, 180.
108, sir.
118 elements are there. So if you'll observe, most of the elements, understanding, they will be chemically, understanding, reactive only. They are chemically very reactive. Very reactive. They do not exist in the free state. Free state of single atom. Single atom cannot exist. Okay, guys? But few elements, only few elements, which we used to call as unreactive elements. What we should call? Unreactive elements. Unreactive elements, or we can call it as noble elements, noble gases. What we should call? Noble gases. These are the noble gases alone. They are existed in free state. Why? Because they are chemically unreactive. What is that? They are chemically unreactive. So that is why these noble gases alone, they are existed in free state. Means single atom they are present. What is that? Single atoms they are present, and remaining elements, every element is chemically very reactive, so that it is not exist in the free state. Do you understand, guys? Remaining all except noble gases, remaining all elements are chemically more reactive. More reactive. So never exist in what? Free state. So what do you mean by free state, guys? Like single atom, always in combined state they will be there. So as single atom never exist in free state, so no single atoms is present. Do you understand, Ra? Always, guys, they will be in combined form. Understanding? Never exist in free state or single atoms. So they always will be in remaining combined state. So what is this noble gases, sir? How to identify? Remember, so very less unreactive gases we have, they are called as noble gases. Also we can call it as stable gases. What we should call? Stable gases. Or else we can say unreactive gases. So there are very few that I will say you. Please remember, one is helium. What is that? Helium. Note it down the word also. Helium. Next one is neon. What is that second one? Neon. Next neon. Argon. Next one is krypton. Next one is xenon. Next one is radon. So these gases is called as noble gases, which are chemically very unreactive. Understanding? And they are only exist in which state? They are only exist in free state. And remaining all will never be understanding in a free state. They are always in a which state? Combined state. Understand, Ra? combined state. Because of why? They are chemically more reactive. Because they are chemically more reactive. Try to understand, Ra. Guys, please respond me. Understand?
Yes,
So
sir.
what is this noble gases which are very unreactive? What is the names I said? Helium, neon,
Neon,
rest-
Neon,
Argon,
krypton, xenon.
xenon and
Everybody, if you speak once, it will be remembered in our brain automatically. Laksha, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon.
Neon.
Two
Radon.
times you can say it will be remembered. So only they are present. Understand? Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. So these also present in periodic table. You don't know what is periodic table. So in periodic table, they are present in 18th group. What is that? Which group, Ra?
18th group.
They are present in 18th group. Totally in our periodic table, we have 18 groups. How many groups, Ra? 18
18
groups.
groups.
At the last group, these elements are present. Is it okay, Ra, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Maitreyan, understand Maitreyan? Okay. What
Yes,
is
sir.
periodic table and all you will study in the understanding class 10th. Now it is not there, so you don't need to worry. Okay. So group 18. This is also extra informational, but that gases names is important. What is that? Helium, neon,
Helium, neon, argon,
xenon, and radon. Okay. You should
radon.
speak full forms you can.
radon.
Remaining all will never present as a single atoms. They are present in what? Combined state. Correct or not?
Combined state.
Yes or no? Single
Yes,
atom.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is what you should understand. Now, let us go. How these atoms usually exist means. So basically, these atoms are exist in two different ways. How many different ways? Two different
Two
ways.
different ways.
In the form of molecules, and the second one in the form of ions. Please write it. So atoms are exist basically in how many ways, Ra? Two different ways.
Two different ways.
One is in the form of
Molecules.
yes,
Molecules.
molecules. And the second one in the form of what?
Ions.
Ions.
In the form of ions. I will say what do you mean by this molecules and ions and all. So try to understand very carefully. So when atoms forms molecules or ions, remember they will become stable in nature. Actually, they are unstable. Most of the atoms are what? Most of the elements are what I said. Most of the elements are unstable in nature. Correct or not? That is why they always will be in the form of combined state. So
Combined form.
here they are combining means because everybody in this nature, suppose see, you people will try to, what is your aim? You have to get a good job, good high salary job, and you have to become stable in nature. Stable in the sense of settle in nature. Yes or no? Settle in the society. Like
Sir.
say, everything in this universe is trying to, and somehow it is trying to lose its instability and trying to become stable in nature. So these atoms also, which are unreactive in nature, when they are single, when they are alone, they are very unreactive. They cannot stay alone. So that is why they always will be in the form of combined state, like in the form of molecules or in the form of
Ions.
ions. So why they are in the form of molecules or ions means because to become stable in nature. What is that? To become
To become stable in nature.
Stable in nature.
so to acquire this stability only, they will be either in the combined form of molecule or they will be combined form of ions. Understand, Ra? So they acquire the stable electron arrangement like noble gases. If you'll observe, noble gases are very stable in nature. Yes or no, Ra? So what is that noble gas?
Sir.
Helium, neon, argon.
Helium, neon, argon.
Krypton,
They will try to combine in the form of molecules or ions, and they will try to get a behavior of the noble gases. That is why they become combined state of molecules
Okay.
or ions. Any doubt in this? Ask me, please. Kindly. Are you clear? So now, for example,
Sir.
understanding the molecules and ions, they will stick together in a large number to form the various types of matter around us. Understand, Ra? So that is why you can see they always try to combine together and they are trying to acquire the inert gases or noble gases electron arrangement. So that is why they are always in the combined state. So because of this combination only, they will form huge number of various kinds of matter in our surroundings. So, but you can observe very carefully. Is it possible to see these molecules or ions with our eyes? With our eyes, is it
No,
possible? So it is
No,
with
sir.
our naked eyes. With our naked eye, we people cannot see these molecules or ions. Understanding? So we can see these substances, which are a very big collection of molecules or ions. If we take, for example, 1 gram of sodium chloride is made up of, like our salt. Our salt, common salt, is made up of millions of sodium and chlorine ions. Do you understand, Ra? Millions of
Yes, sir.
sodium and chlorine ions. Now, you people can able to see the salt, but is it possible to see the sodium ions and chlorine ions? We cannot.
No, sir.
No, sir.
That is, you should remember, because a big collection of molecules will combine together. Then only we can able to see, understanding this matter. So, for example, you can see nobody can see the iodine molecule. What is happening? Nobody can see
Iodine
the
molecule.
iodine molecule.
Iodine molecule.
Understanding? I will take iodine. What is the symbol of iodine, guys? Example.
E.
Iodine symbol is I. Understanding? This I is also will never exist as a single atom. Always 2 iodine atoms will be combined together. That is why we will write this one as a what? I2. What is that? I2.
I2.
Understand? So I2 means how many atoms? How many atoms?
2
Ra?
atoms.
2 atoms.
2
Because
atom.
single iodine atom will never be combined. Understanding, Ra? Will never stay alone. That is why 2 iodine atoms will be there. So is it anybody, is it possible to see the iodine molecule? This is called as molecule.
No, sir.
More than 1 atom is combined together. That is called as what? Molecule.
Molecule.
Possible to see the molecule with our naked eye? Anybody? No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
But because it is extremely small, or very, 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 very small, but you can join the more iodine molecules one after one, one after one, one after one, one after one, then you can see it will form a iodine crystal, which is looks like a violet colored solid. Violet colored solid. So
Solid.
you can able to see it. Is it yes or no? Then you can able to see it. Yes or no? Because
Yes,
why?
sir.
Sir.
Because millions and millions of iodine particles combined together, held together, so that we can able to see what iodine. Understanding? Iodine substance. So what is the color of iodine? Like a light blue color one. Blue color, a crystal you can observe. Blue color crystal you can observe. So it is contains what? Millions of iodine molecules combined together. Then only we can see a solid crystal, blue color solid crystal. So why can't we see the molecule, iodine molecule? Because it is very, 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 very small. That is why we cannot see with the naked eye. Do you understand, Ra? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
This is what example of formation by molecules. Yes or no? Now, if we
Yes,
take
sir.
example of sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is formed by what? It is formed by ions. It is formed by what? Formed by
Ions.
Now, here I want to say, what do you mean by ions? Can you able to say what do you mean by ions? Anybody? So ions means, try to understand, guys. If you don't know also, now I will say ions means, understanding, electrically charged particles. What is that?
Electrically charged particles.
Charged particles. Understanding, Ra? Charged particles. Okay. So, sir, how they will become electrically charged particles means next we'll study how to write a chemical formula by donating or receiving electrons. How, Ra?
Sir, they gain or
Donating or
losing
receiving.
by donating or by receiving, by accepting electrons. What is that? Electrons. Atoms turns into what? Atoms turns into ions. Understand?
Ions.
Atoms turns into ions. That is what we should call as ions. Okay, guys? Electrically charged particle is called as ions. Any doubt in this? Please respond.
No, sir.
No. If we
No,
take,
sir.
for example, as we know, sodium chloride is formed by 1 sodium atom plus 1 chlorine ion. Sorry, atom illa, ion. 1 sodium ion and 1 chlorine ion. So
Chlorine
sodium symbol is Na. It has been taken from Latin word. What is that? Natrium. What is that? Natrium. Remember yesterday I taught you. Yes or no, Alana?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Shruti? Correct? So sodium plus chlorine, which will give you what? Sodium chloride. What will come?
Chloride.
Sodium
Sodium
chloride.
chloride.
if I will show you one ion of sodium and chlorine, which will form sodium chloride, is it possible to see? Is it possible to see with your naked eye, Tarun?
No,
No,
sir. No, sir.
not possible to
No,
see with
sir.
our naked eye. So we cannot see the individual sodium ions and as well as chlorine ions, but we can see sodium chloride compound. What is this called as? This is called as
Sodium
compound.
chloride compound.
Understanding now? So this is called as compound. So we can able to see the salt in our home. Can able to see? Because
Yes,
that
sir.
salt is what? It is millions of, understanding, millions of sodium plus and chlorine minus combined together. Then only it is called as what? Combined together. We can able to see them with a bigger particles. Understand, Ra? Maitreyan, Mavanis,
Yes, sir.
yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
minus, if they will
Yes, sir.
combine millions of sodium plus chlorine ion minus sodium ions plus chlorine ions, then only we can able to see the powder, white powder or else a crystal form of salt. That is, it is a collection of millions and millions of sodium ions and chloride ions. That is what we should call as sodium chloride. What we should call, Ra? Sodium.
Sodium chloride.
Sodium chloride.
Understand? So this is what about, understand what is that? What is our concept? How do atoms are exist? So atoms are existed in the two forms. What is that? In the form of
In
molecule,
the form of
Molecules in the form of ions.
ion. Okay. Now let us go and discuss with the molecules. More clearly we'll discuss. This is all about how they are existed. So they are existed in the two forms. One is in the form of molecules. In the
Molecules.
another one is ions.
what do you mean
Ions.
by ions? What do you mean by ions? Tamil
Electrically charged particles.
After donating, by donating or by accepting,
Or accepting the
atom
electron.
turns into two charges, either positive charge or by negative charge.
Negative charge.
So this is only called as ions. We should call it. What we should call? Ions.
Ions.
Positive charge or negative charge. So now this is all about how these atoms are exist. So now, as we know, atoms will combine together. Same atoms will combine together, more than one atom. That is what we should call as molecules. What we should call? Molecules.
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 Next concept which we are going to study is what it is, Ra? Molecule.
Molecules.
Okay. So please all of you keep reading. Molecules. Okay, Ra? So now observe very carefully. So molecule is electrically charged particle or electrically neutral? Neutral. Okay. No charge.
Yes, sir.
No charge for it. It is not positive or it is not negative charge. It is neutrally present. Understand, guys? Neutrally
Yes, sir.
present. No donation or no receiving electrons. It is neutrally group of how many atoms, Ra? Minimum how many molecule means?
Sir, two or more than two.
More.
Two or more than two.
Two or more
Atoms, sir.
chemically bonded together. How? Physically or chemically? Chemically bonded.
Chemically
Chemically.
bonded together.
That is called as what we should call, Ra? Molecule.
Molecule.
Okay, guys, please respond me. Everybody, that is right. A
Yes, sir.
molecule is an electrically neutral group of a molecule is an a molecule is an a molecule is an electrically neutral group of two or more atoms
More.
chemically bonded together. What is that? Two or more atoms chemically. What is that, Ra? Chemically bonded
Chemically.
to
Chemically bonded together.
is called as molecule. So, is it there having any charge? Manya and Samya, Laksha? No charge is
Sir.
present. Okay. So, all of you kindly remember, whenever the molecules are coming, not ions, what is that? Molecules are coming. Understand? So, the bond present between them is called as weak bonds. That bond's names is called as the chemical bond. Suppose you can take this is one X atom and this is another X atom. So they combine together chemically so that some relation will form between them. Is it yes or no, guys? So that
Yes,
is
sir.
what we should call as chemical
Chemical
bond.
bond.
What we should call? chemical bond.
Chemical bond.
So this chemical bond is name called as covalent bond. What is it called? Covalent
Covalent
bond.
bond.
You listen very carefully. So when the atoms are electrically neutral, what bonds are present between them? What bonds are present between them? Covalent bonds present.
Covalent bond.
So these molecules are together. So the together in a molecule, atoms are together in a molecule because of which bonds, Ra? Covalent bonds. That is,
Covalent
All
bond.
in one.
so the combination of atoms is only called as what? The combination of atoms is called as the combination of atoms. What we should call, Ra? More than one
Molecule.
atom combined. What we should call, Jayavarshi?
Molecule.
Yeah,
Molecule.
combination of atoms. Yes, combination of atoms is called, what we should call? Is called
Molecule.
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 In atoms are combined together in a molecule with the help of which bonds, Ra? Covalent bond.
Covalent
bonds.
Covalent bond.
Okay, one more type of bonds will come. That is in ions it will come. That I will say. So in molecules, when the atoms are electrically neutral, which bond is present? Neutral. Covalent bond is present. Understand, Darun, Maitreyan, everybody? Sai is not there, I think. Correct?
Sir.
Shruti?
sir.
Shruti, understanding. So when the atoms are electrically neutral, the bonds present between them, the chemical bond present between them, who is holding the atoms is covalent bonds. That is, you have
Covalent bonds.
Okay, now, so now, if you'll observe here, molecule can exist in free state. They no need to combine together. So molecules, because atoms cannot exist in free state, but molecules can exist in free state because molecule means what? Already more than one atom. Is it yes or no, guys? Please
sir.
respond me.
Yes,
So,
sir.
all of you should remember, atoms of most of the elements are very reactive, but when they are in combined state, molecules, so molecules are not reactive. Do you understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
What I'm saying? When they are individual, suppose, let me take oxygen alone. Oxygen alone is very, very reactive, but one oxygen is combined with another oxygen. Then what is happening? It will turns into what?
Molecule.
Molecule. So oxygen molecule is not that much reactive. Do you understand what I'm saying? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
So only
Yeah.
very reactive when they are alone.
They are in
When the
atom.
single atom, understand Jayavarshini and Darun? When the single atom is existed, they are very, 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 very unstable. They are very, very unstable. So they will react very extremely. So once they will combine with another atom, once they will turns into molecule, so it is not happen. Do you understand, guys? Not so with the
Yes, sir.
molecules. They are not that much reactive. So that is what you should understand. So from this, you should say the definition of molecule. Can you give any another definition of molecule with the help of this point? Anybody? So try to understand. A molecule is the smallest particle of a substance. Understanding which has the properties of that substance, and that can be exist in the which state, Ra? It can be exist in the free state. Correct or not? Atom cannot exist in the free state, but atoms will combine together. They will be forming at what, guys? They can be forming in the molecule. So these molecules can exist in the free state. Do you understand, guys? Molecules can exist in the free state. So molecules become stable in nature. For them, we don't want to combine again because molecules, once they will form the molecules, they will be present in the free state. Do you understand, Ra? Yes or no? Please
Yes, sir.
respond me.
Sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
that's what you should understanding. So, who is stable in nature? Atoms or molecules?
Molecules.
Molecules are stable in nature. But same atoms of the molecule, when they are in free state, they are what? They are means alone. When they are alone, they are very, very unreactive.
Stable.
Understand? They are very unstable. Understand, Maitreyan, Alana, Pradosh? That
Sir.
you should understand. So,
Sir.
from this you should understand. So atoms are very unstable, but molecules are stable in nature. So based upon that one, you should write Manya and Samaya, one more definition for molecule. So write it all of you. A molecule is the smallest particle of a substance. What is that? A molecule is the smallest particle of a substance. Smallest particle of a substance. Now, for example, you tell me, I have been taken one cake. Now I will cut this one small part of the cake. Now, is it this cake is having same characteristics of this matter substance or not? Please respond me.
Yes, sir.
If
Yes,
I
sir.
cut this part, if I'll take this part, now whatever this is called as molecule. So now this molecule is having a similar properties of this substance or different properties.
Sir, similar property.
Similar properties. That is, you should understand. So, okay. So the molecule is the smallest particle of a substance. Write it. Substance. It may be element or compound, which has the properties of that substance. Which has the
Property of the substance.
which has the properties of that substance. Properties of that substance, and can exist in the which state? Molecules can exist in free state or combined state.
Free state.
Can exist
State,
in
sir.
free state. But atoms can exist in free state. Atoms can
Combined
sir.
state, sir.
free state.
Combined state.
Understanding why atoms cannot exist in free state? Maitreyan,
Because they are unstable.
because they are
Sir,
very
they are
unstable in nature. But same atoms combined together, two or more than two, then they will become stable in nature. Understand, Jayvarshini, Manya, and Samaya, Shruti, Alana? Yes, clear. That is what you have to understand. So now here my question is, now, sir, molecule is forming. Suppose, for example, Mavanish only can ask me the question, or else Shruti. Sir, is it molecule means same kind of atoms should together, or else different atoms can together? That is what my question. So now you people answer me. Is it molecule means the combination of atoms will be same element or different element?
Same element.
Same
sir.
element.
same element, sir.
Understanding both we can say. So the either they can understand, they can form a combination of atoms of the same element. If we form the same element, we should say simply molecule of an element. What we should say? Simply molecule of
Simply
an
molecule.
element.
Of an element.
If different atoms combine, we can say molecule of an compound. What we should say? Molecule of
Molecule
an
of an
Molecule of an
compound.
compound.
We have two kinds of molecules now. Anybody can say what is that, Darun? Molecules of an element.
Molecule of an
Element
element
and
and
molecules
molecule
of
of
a
a
compound.
compound.
You understand, guys, what I'm saying? Everybody clear? So
Yes, sir.
Sir,
the atoms can combine either same atoms combine, same atoms, or different atoms can combine. Different atoms can combine. Is it yes or no? Yes or no? Same atoms or different atoms can combine. So based upon that, we can write molecules. So molecules are two types. What is that? What is that? Molecules are
molecule of an element,
molecules of
molecule
an
of the
element.
compound.
Understanding? So molecule of an element. So what do you mean by element? Element means what? Same atoms.
Same atom.
Atoms. That is next. Molecule of an compound. Ion ille compound. Understanding? So compound will form by what? Ions only. Do you understand, Ra? That is so.
Yes,
Sir,
That is what we should call it as different atoms. What is that? Different atom. But don't say only ions. Atoms also. Atoms are ions. But ions will form another type of compounds. Atoms will combine one kind of compounds. Okay, guys? That is you should remember. Okay? That is you'll study in class 10. So different atoms combine molecules of compound. Same atoms will combine molecules of what? Element. Okay, guys? Remember, everybody? Now, let us discuss molecules of elements. All of you keep heading. What is the first kind of molecules, Ra? Molecules of an element. Molecules of an